Today, we're going to talk about what's in my drum bag. What's going on, guys and girls? Today, we're talking about all the equipment I got in my drone bag that keeps me up in the air. In a few days ago video, we talked about this drone bag and I reviewed it and recommended it to you guys. But for a follow-up video, we're talking about what I keep in this drone bag, just so you guys have an idea. Let's jump into it. Let's start with these top two pockets. So if we open up this pocket, I keep my memory card holder. Now this is just a generic waterproof orange memory card holder. Holds all my micro SDs, all my other SD cards. There's normally more, but they're in the cameras that I'm recording this with. This is an awesome little thing that I always have to keep with me. In this other pocket, I keep my ND filters. Like I said in the last video, ND filters are absolutely essential. I have an ND4, an ND16, and an ND64. Most those I found are the ones I use the absolute most. In this side pocket, I keep random cords and other little junk like that, stuff I don't know where else to put it. In this side pocket, I keep nothing right now. It used to be my memory card. Sometimes I'll keep some documentation in here like that. Now, in the bottom, this is just the rain cover. It's somewhere. Nothing. The rain cover goes in here and that's it. Now let's jump to this top pocket. So in this top pocket, I keep my 3 charger, my controller, battery pack, and some other random documentation, zip ties, crap like that. Now, to the main compartment. If we unzip it here, we're going to talk about what's in this main compartment. We open up this, and of course, we have my Phantom. I always keep the gimbal cover on and my propellers. So I have the Phantom for Advanced, which does not normally come with these noise-reducing propellers, but I bought them and upgraded its propeller attachments. I also keep a normal set in here just for safekeeping, and I have another set somewhere. I can't find them right now. Now, right now I own 2 batteries because each battery is about 150 bucks. So I always have an extra battery with me. This one has to be dead because I just flew it earlier today. Obviously I have my drone with my FAA number. And then this pocket, we have my charging cord. Pop that back in there. Then this one, I have my charger and everything like that. Just a normal generic charger. That is pretty much what's in my drone bag. But let's lay it all out and we're going to take a look at exactly what's all in it. So right now you're looking at everything that I keep in my drone bag. Here we have the Phantom, battery, propellers, controller, ND filters, memory card holder. This is charging stuff, documentation, and my FAA lanyard. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There is much more to come. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!